Welcome back, guys. Today we are having our listening class, isn't it? So, today's topic is matching, and it's our fourth listening class. First of all, I will introduce you what is matching questions. In this slide, you can see questions from 14 to 18. Questions are pillows, washing powder, key, light bulbs, and map. And in a box, you can see its locations. Just like in our matching headings question, there are more number of locations than the number of articles. Our next important question: what should we do? We have to listen our listening audio, and then we have to find the location of these items, like we have to find where pillows are located, then washing powder. The order of the question follows the order of the answer. Matching type questions. For this type of question, you will be required to match a list of options from the listening test to a number of options on the test paper. There are many variations of this kind of question, including matching words, phrases, sentences, and pictures. This type of task tests your ability to listen for detail. You will often have to follow a detailed conversation between two or more people. And hence, we should listen really very carefully because there are many chances to miss out. The list will always be in the same order as you hear it in the recording. The list might be expressed differently in the recording through synonyms and paraphrasing. Strategy for matching. Our first and foremost step: read the instructions carefully and note the word limit. Second, look at the list of options and questions to understand them. You should understand the questions before listening the audio. Third, try to predict which ones match based on what is on the test paper before listening. Next, predict how the list of options could be expressed differently in the recording. That is, you should be aware of synonyms and paraphrasing. Next is, listen and match the options to the correct questions as you hear them. Read the questions.